video, which is gonna go inside of my entrepreneur. Hold on, let me cut this TV down. This TV too damn loud. Hold on. Okay, so like I was saying, excuse my makeup. It's kind of, we just got it melting off because I had it on for a couple hours. So I've been doing photo shoots for my products. I'm not even halfway done. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm like, oh, it's just gonna take a couple hours or so. No, this is gonna take another day. Hopefully I can finish it in another day or another 2 days. I won't be able to do it because I have, oh shit, I have an appointment tomorrow. Well, I'll probably do it tomorrow, but I'm not sure if I'm going to film a video or I'm going to finish doing my product photos tomorrow. Where you going? Shout out to my man for being the awesome cameraman, y'all. I'm so excited for y'all to see these photos. They so cute, they so pretty. Your girl looking like a boss queen, you feel what I'm saying? A bad boss, you feel what I'm saying? But yeah, let me finish taking these product photos, and I think my launch date would probably be in like a week or two, but I'll keep you guys posted. If you're not already following my business page at MMW Scents, go ahead and follow it, or follow my personal page at wiltashasippio. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get back to business because my appointment is around like 10 something, and then I'll be done within like 15-20 minutes. So I'll be back probably no later than 12 something to 1. So that'd be like a good time to start taking photos because sunlight is like my thing when it comes to taking my photos. So yeah, and if you guys don't know, because I think I'll probably put this video up before I even put up my, because I want to put up a getting inventory video, and I want to put up a what to know and what you need and what you need to know to start a perfume company. And I also wanted to do a, you know, like how to make it and stuff like that. But I think I'll put this one up first. So yeah, you guys, my name is Wiltasha. I did not start all that, sorry about that. Hi, how you doing? But you can just call me TayTheySay. It's easy, short and sweet. I am starting a perfume company, so I'm gonna have like my own blend of fragrances and things like that, and it's gonna be nice. Okay, I guess I can show you guys a few. Here's a box full of some of my fragrances. This are just samples. I do have to take pictures of these as well, but that's a whole different thing. These are some of the ones that I already took pictures of, but I'm doing like 4 different types of things, like taking pictures. Like I want to take one laying down, I want to take one when they're packaged and pretty, I want to take one when I'm holding them, like different, and one like in my hand like this, but without me in it, of course, like stuff like that. So I need to do that. But I gotta write down like exactly which ones I took in each one of those different stages, so I have to write it down. So that's why I got my notebook where actually it fell. So let me get it. So this is just a quick video of me talking about like my business and stuff, because I really wanted to do a video, and I thought like, why not? You guys see I'm a bonnet on. Your girl, it is looking cute though. But I got my bonnet on because I already took my pictures and my hair was getting all puffy, and I just didn't want to deal with that no more. So this is my book. This is my pen. I'm going to write down like exactly what stock photos I took with which fragrance, so I know which ones I got to take next. But first I'm going to put each category so I can just write the fragrance on each, so I know which ones that I, and with a little check box or something like that, so I know which ones I did and which ones I didn't do. Like for example, I already did these. This is called Unapologetic. Cute, you guys, cute. Yeah, so I'm finna label some of them actually. I have some of my potions that I need to label, like Arctic Breeze, Baby Powder, and Teddy. Those are some of the names of the fragrances. Uh-oh. When did I break this? Wait. This is Teddy. No one is broken. Hold on. I need Arctic Breeze. Okay, this is Baby Powder. See, you guys, it's kind of hard to keep up with them when they're not labeled, because some of them like the same color. Like, as you can see, Teddy and Baby Powder's like close to the same color. Like, I need to label them as soon as possible. Okay, this Baby Powder. So I got 2 baby powders. I'm gonna label 2 baby powders, and I want to label an Arctic Breeze, and I'll probably label an Unapologetic. Unapologetic is this one. So super cute. That one, of course, you can tell which one it is because the color. Oh, these are all baby powders. Wait, I could just want to have an Arctic Breeze. Hold on. Oh, here you go. Okay, so here's the Arctic Breeze. I need to label an Arctic Breeze. I'm gonna label two of the baby powders, and I wanted to label a Teddy if I can find it. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we have a Teddy here. I want to label this one as well, so I can have it ready to take stock photos and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna cut out the labels for them already, which reminds me, hold on, let me see something. I'll show you guys like a sneak peek of my website, kind of. Just a little biography, kind of picture me my name, and I like this thing because like when you put the mouse over it, it turns to gold, and then that is just so cute to me. So yeah, I can't wait to drop you guys. It's gonna be so awesome. Gold with black writing, and then black with gold writing. So cute. My seat all ready to be sitting, taking pictures in, and I got my ring light ready. It's tiny and cute. This is like my monitor, so everything's all plugged up. I decided to show Instagram because I always put my videos on Snapchat because I get like, well, I guess it's, well, anyways, so I might most likely show you guys like my Snapchats. I'll probably just put my Snapchat videos on Instagram. That's what I do for the most part. I know a lot of people on Instagram don't follow me on Snapchat, just like I know a lot of people on Snapchat don't follow me on Instagram. But these are some of my products that I want to take a picture of. But it looks like it's gonna rain, so I might go in the house because I'm kind of scared. That one doesn't have a label on it yet, so I need to find one with a label. But yeah. Like, you guys, I love these bottles, but sometimes the quality is just not there with them. You know what I mean? Like, I really like these bottles. So these are how they look. But the quality kind of sucks. Like, honestly, the quality sucks. I did get them from AliExpress, so, and I did get a refund, so, you know. But I got these bottles, which I got from TKB Trading. It's not technically the plastic that I have a problem with. It's the wand. You could tell these was like cheaply made. Some of them are pretty good, but some of them, they just suck. You know what I mean? But if you can kind of see like the wine, see those little notches and stuff, they're like more sturdy, and you can even feel like the sturdiness in the wine compared to these ones, which you can kind of feel like if you squeeze too hard, it might break. Like, I don't know, but they kind of just slides out after a while. Like, some of them don't. That's what I'm saying. But some of them they do. So I got a packet of 50, but you got to see it in the inventory unboxing and stuff like that. So yeah, I got my labels here. I'm gonna do 3 potions. So I have ingredients to the back of them, and I also have different labels with the quantity and everything on them. So this is how they look. It's kind of small. You probably cannot see that on the camera. But if you look, it says Perfumes. Wait, Perfumes. That's spray. Wait, I don't think these are the right ones. Hold on, I think I got the wrong ones. Oh, I think. No, am I wrong? Oh, I just forgot to change. Okay, whatever. 5 milliliters. The ingredients is, it's so hard to see in this light. Oh, all natural soy wax, rapeseed oil, and so on and so forth. They're kind of small, but you can't read it. But I will have the ingredients on my website. So I'm just going to cut them like this. Then I'm going to cut all the excess off. How many I'm doing? 4. I just know that I did not eat anything today. One thing, if you don't know about entrepreneur, you just be ready to work, get stuff done. And then sometimes you just, well, I can't say everybody, but sometimes I just forget to eat. Honestly. You guys, I'm so happy with the way everything's turning out. I like my packaging and stuff. I will probably be dropping in the next week or 2. So, yeah, hopefully I can finish my photos tomorrow. Cause I do also want to film a video. So, I don't know. So we got Teddy. This is the labels for Teddy. I'm gonna cut them. I only need 1. Now I need a label for beginnings. 2 labels for beginnings, and 1 label for Arctic Breeze. So here goes the Arctic Breeze. Looks the same. Need 2 of those. I mean 1 of those. And then I need 2 Beginnings. These are just the name of my fragrances, you guys, that I'm naming. I really need a better filing system. Truly, I do. See, that's why I hate when other people use my scissors, like my dude and stuff. Like, they be using them and they get them all sticky or something. It's hard to cut with. Ooh. Bet you scared the mess out of me opening that door that fast. You got snacks for Tiari? How can you keep forgetting her? Like, how's that even possible?
Good, bro, because I be thinking she got something at the house. I know I bought juice. I didn't think about nothing else. Well, I brought drinks. That's all I went up there really for drinks. I was like, she got juice. Left my baby out.
So that's my man. He's in the background talking. He don't. Better get my drink. Hey, you just gonna walk away, homeboy? I'm skillet.
They ain't have pineapple.
Oh my God! Why they never have pineapple? You know, grown people only drinking me a little smear now. It ain't really like alcohol. It's like a juice, if you ask me. Shallow. Open it for me. Thank you, boo. Thank
Is that her husband or is that her maid?
You're both.
I know. Hold it down. Your receipt.
Not sponsored, so. There you guys. And I got I don't did my interview stuff and I gotta start working soon. So I'm trying to get as much done as possible before I have like those work hours and stuff again. Oh, I'm so tired. So yeah, I finna make my list and I finna but I have to look at my phone. But I film with my phone, but I have to look at it to see exactly what pictures I took of what. I kind of know what pictures I took of, but you get what I'm saying. So I know what pictures I took of what, so I can write down stuff. And I also finna go ahead and label my stuff. I need to take new product photos, but I wore this shirt and my brown button-down blouse. I think I'm gonna wear that again when I take the rest of my photos. Cause I want them all to kind of be like, at least for now, I want like the opening of my shop. I want all of them to kind of like correspond with each other, things like that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna probably wear these shirts again. I probably try to recreate this, make it look really simple, super easy. I use like 3 different browns in the same palette, a gold in that palette, and then I use the inner quarter glitter from one other palette, so it's pretty easy. Hopefully I can recreate it and stuff. So yeah, let me go ahead and get started in doing that before my daughter wakes up, because I have to take her bath and I also have to cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and finish these up. So yeah, this was just a quick video of me talking. I'm so excited for my business to open, guys. I hope you guys are ready. So yeah, I'm so excited to start my business and stuff, guys. I hope you guys are interested. This business is way different than what everybody do. It's different than everybody doing lashes, or everybody doing lashes, everybody doing hair, everybody doing damn boutique. Which ain't nothing wrong with that. That's fun, fine and dandy, fun and whatnot. But I am just so tired of seeing that over and over and over and over and over. Like, don't get me wrong, one day I would probably have my own lash business. As you can see, I love my lashes long and popping. I probably would try to do some makeup, probably have eyeshadow palette, probably do some with wigs, cause I love my wigs, y'all, especially when you can lay it right. Yes, I love fashion. Probably one day, but it ain't nothing like creating your own, especially something like on Perfume, where you can kind of create from scratch. And do you also have wholesale for that as well? But I'm creating mine from scratch. It's something about just making your own product, and I don't know. So I'm surprised this probably be my first video, because I'm not sure how like everything's gonna happen. I kind of want to upload one during this week. I just want to make sure I have a video to upload, so this probably be one of them. If you guys are watching this, you know, stay tuned. Y'all finna drop so many videos about starting your own perfume company, what you need to know, and what you gotta get, and all that stuff. So you guys could probably do the same thing. I mean, everybody like perfume, just like women in general, especially, I mean, not in general, especially women, love perfume, love smelling good, love looking good, so love feeling good. So I feel like perfume is a great way to get, like, a great thing to create, because everybody likes, people like perfume, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't like smelling good, then something wrong with you, get that shit checked out. But everybody likes smelling good, and everybody like hair, like they have looking good. Everybody like the eyelashes, they all looking good. Everybody like to smell good. So I just feel like I'm just going in. I'm just not doing a very competitive market, if you ask me. So I can finally do the click. Y'all love doing this with my nails, especially my videos. Finally, I just waiting for my nails to heal from my last press-ons that I had on. They put my nails up. I had them on for like 2.5 weeks. I had to take the bitches off because that shit was hurting. But I got these ones on. They're just for like product photos, really. So yeah, you guys, I think that's gonna be the end of the video. Like I said, I gotta get started. It's about like almost 7:30. I gotta cook, but at least when I'm cooking, don't take no more than like 20 minutes, so I'm good. But I gotta cook, and I gotta make sure I bathe my daughter whenever she may wake up. So let me go ahead and get started, and I'll tell you guys later. Again, subscribe below, like this video, turn your post notifications so you can get like videos of like my entrepreneur series. The next one I will be dropping will be what you need and what you need to know to start a perfume company, and then after that I will drop my inventory video. I already have my inventory video filmed, obviously, because I already got a lot of my products packaged, but stay on the lookout. It's gonna be fine. All right, I'll see you guys later, and yeah, you guys have a good one. Okay, peace.